Business management definition, everything you need to know. Business management definition is managing the coordination and organization of business activities. This typically includes the production of materials, money, and machines and involves both innovation and marketing. What does management do? What is business management system? Business management tactics, management styles. Business management definition is managing the coordination and organization of business activities. This typically includes the production of materials, money, and machines and involves both innovation and marketing. Management is in charge of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the business resources so they can meet the objectives of the policy. What does management do? Managers and directors have the responsibility and power to look over an enterprise and make decisions. The management size can be anything from a single person in an organization to thousands of managers in companies that are in different nations. In bigger organizations, the policy is defined by the board of directors and then carried out by the chief executive officer or CEO. Some people think the best way to evaluate a company's future and current work depends on the experience and quality of the managers. The goal of management is to get people together to achieve the same desired objectives and goals by using the resources that are available in an effective and efficient way. Management functions include the following: organizing, directing or leading, planning, staffing, controlling, and organization. They also encompass the manipulation and deployment of financial resources, natural resources, human resources, and technological resources. Management is necessary to facilitate a united effort towards achieving the company's goals. What is business management system? Business management system or BMS is a toolset that is used for tactical implementation and strategic planning of practices, processes, policies, guidelines, and procedures to use in the deployment, execution, and development of business strategies and plans, as well as any associated management activities. They provide a foundation for both tactical and strategic business decisions when it comes to current processes, tasks, activities, and procedures with the goal of meeting all objectives an organization has and satisfying the customer expectations and needs. The main idea of business management system is to give management the tools for monitoring, planning, and controlling their activities and measure the performance of a business. They also aim to put into effect continuous improvement processes in the company. This system finds the principles of the organization's existence and is linked closely to business success criteria. It is a multi level hierarchy of different business solutions that show how an organization that's profit oriented will perform different functions such as marketing, sales, staffing, and purchasing to complete a task successfully. Business management tactics. The functional group of a BMS finds what the tactical techniques and approaches are when it comes to implementing business plans that are linked to their business strategies. Tactical solutions should only be brought up during the decision making part. They should be executed based on the time frames that are in the document for the business management strategy. Extra business schedules can be formed and assigned to this tactical implementation practice as well. Business management tactics are defined as activities that follow the business standards that were identified in the company's policies. They put into effect business tasks and plans so they can meet the goals that have been prioritized. There are also processes and guidelines in this functional group to develop business management plans. The guidelines have practical instructions and directions to show how decision makers can control all the tactical solutions. They include operations and procedures that show how performers get daily tasks and activities accomplished. This group also directs the staff towards the completion of business solutions and recognizing implementation plans that are aligned with the management tactics. Management styles. There are several types of management that are common, including democratic, autocratic, paternalistic, and laissez-faire. Democratic management style is used when employees are able to give feedback or input on business decisions. Autocratic management lets the business owner be the person in charge of making all decisions and leading the company through the business environment. When the best work environment possible is created for each employee, it's known as paternalistic management. Laissez faire has the most employee autonomy and lets decisions be made with little to no business owner oversight. Traditional management is a hierarchy of employees with low, mid, and senior level management. The manager creates expectations for the goals employees need to make. If you need help with business management definition, you can post your legal need on UpConsul's marketplace. UpCounsel accepts only the top 5% of lawyers to its site. Lawyers on UpCounsel come from law schools such as Harvard Law and Yale Law and average 14 years of legal experience, including work with or on behalf of companies like Google, Menlo Ventures, and Airbnb.